Hey, Leo Drigger here. I want to talk to you about ProcessMonitor. This is 100% a tool that I couldn't live without in my cheap dip computer machines, right? All of my testing machines that I use. It's a great program, comes from sysinternals. Just to kind of give you a highlight, it's got times, it's got the process names, the process ID with the processor, what it's actually doing, like registry queries, a lot of registry stuff you'll see, the path in the registry, the result of that path, and some detailed like, queries or desired access, reads and writes and things like that. Um, so that's kind of like the overview of the columns. Let's look at the properties of something specific like explorer.exe. Now, you can cross-reference this information with Task Manager. So I want to kind of cross-reference a few things. In processes, or actually performance, you can see threads, handles, processes, uptimes, and this is all of like the high-level overview processor information that we don't normally get to look at in the detailed. What is the actual processes? What are the actual threads? And what are the actual handles? Well, in ProcessMonitor, you can go to the stack and you can actually see those. You can see what handles and what files are being referenced, what they're actually doing, the location, and then the memory addresses that they correspond to, and of course, the full path of the file if you realistically wanted to know where this sits. You're probably fine here with the top 3 rows. So nonetheless, you get to cross-reference handles, threads, and processes, and actually get to dig down and see this. 99.9999% of the time as a system admin, if you're ever doing anything performance related, you care about this right here and starting and stopping things. Well, in the forensics world, you got to flip that coin and you got to look over here and you got to see what things are doing and how things are behaving forensically. These are the fingerprints that are changing on your system when your system is actually processing. Okay, so I think it's cool that you can actually see that, compare those two values right here, both from the networking point of view, or I'm sorry, system admin point of view versus the forensic point of view. I mean, here you are looking at two screens of two different worlds. So if you're trying to make that transition between, hey, I'm a system admin and I understand things from a system admin point of view, well, what is the forensics person, what's their point of view? Well, that's the cross-referencing. These are the two sides of the conversation that now meet. So hope you enjoyed the lab. If you like these videos, share them, connect. Remember, there's real people behind here, not just computers and videos. So connect with other people, share, tweet, and give it your best.